Hi, what's up? Today, another 3D text or logo animation. You can use it as you want. In this Blender tutorial, we will use particles, system and fire font to give it this look like this. As you can see, this will be easy. We will see all this step by step. So stay with me. And before to start, please, if you like my content, give me a hands up and subscribe to my channel. Now, let's get started. Go here and add the text. RX90 to make it in the vertical. S to make it bigger, just like this. Now go here in object data properties of this text and make it in the center. Now I go here in font. I choose a font, but not in default font of Blender. I go here in my computer and I select this one. As you can see, it's like this. If you want to download it, go here in this website and select this one. It's free. Now go back to Blender. Now hit tab and hit your logo or your text. Hit tab to close. Now go here in geometry and extrude it. And give it 0.1. Now right click, duplicate. For this one, change this and give it some depth. Give it just 0.01. Now select the first, convert to mesh. Select this one too, right click, convert to mesh. Now go here, add a plane. S to make it bigger. Go here in edit mode and select edge mode. Select this one, A, Z, up, and hit tab to close. Now go here in modifier, generate bevel. Increase this number, maybe just like this, and give it some segment like this. Now right click, shade smooth, apply the modifier. I go here, I add a UV sphere, GZ to make it here, S to scale it like this, right click, shade smooth, GX, and I make it here. Okay, now select the text one and go here, properties, hit plus, and here give it just 100. Here give it 250, and here to 250, and the lifetime random make it in 1. I disable the plane just to see. If I play, as you can see, the particle goes down and we don't need it. So I go here, and I make the gravity in 0. Now, if I go back and play, now, as you can see, the particle still near the text. We want this particle to be this sphere. So I go here in render, and here in hello, I select object, and I select this, and I select sphere. Now, if we play, now we have a sphere, but it's so small. So I make it bigger, just like this, and I give it some random. Now, if we play, now we have this animation of particles. Now, Control Alt 0 to activate the camera. I enable the plane. I select the camera, and I decrease the focal, just like this. Now select the plane S, X, and make it like this. Now open a new window and make it in shader editor. Now I select this, hit new, make it simple, just roughness in 0, and transmission make it in 1. Now if I go here, as you can see, this walls, it's in glass. Now select the text one, this, and give it the same material. Now I select this, hit new. Now select this, Control T to active image texture with mapping and texture coordinate. If you haven't, go here in edit, in preferences, in add-ons, hit node, and enable this, and save your preferences. Okay, now I open an image. So I give it this one, hit tab, hit I to select all, and go here in UV and select project from view. Hit tab to close. Now we have this texture like this. Now select the plane, maybe first I decrease the roughness and I make it metallic. Or maybe I delete this one and I go here and add, and I select a glossy shader. And I decrease the roughness just like this. Okay, Now for the plane, hit new, as the same, select this one, Ctrl T, and open an image. I will give it fire image, just like this. If you want to download some pictures from free pictures on fire, go here in pixels and select and hit fire and select any image of fire. It's free to use. Now go back to Blender. Now hit tab, hit I, and go here in UV and select project from view. Hit tab to close. Now we have this plane like this. I make it metallic and I decrease the roughness. So here hit Z and select render view. If you want to have this default setting of Blender like mine, please check this video below. Now I go here in World Properties and I select it change the HDRI in my computer. Now as you can see it's darker, so I increase this just a little. Now I go here and I add a light, an area light, GZ, and I make it up, S to make it bigger, and I go here and I give it some power. I increase the power, maybe 3000. Now GZ down here. If I go here in render view to see, now we don't want to see this shadow of this area light, so I go here and I disable glossy. Now we have just light but not the shadow of this area light. Now you can adjust maybe I give it 4000. Okay, now we have this. Now I go here in timeline and I choose this like this. Now if I go here in render to see how it look as R. As you can see, it's easy to do and simple. You can use it for your logo or your name or text or for your intro. Now just this, I make it just like this. Okay, so this tutorial is finished. I hope that you enjoy and to make it with me. I tell you goodbye and see you in the next one. But don't forget, like and subscribe if you like my content. Thanks for watching.